Hey guys, so today we have Hyper 11 server, which is a print server and it has a number of printers, and we want to migrate these printers to a Hyper 1 server, which is another server that we're going to be using. Now it does not matter what version of Windows server you have. This can be 2012, 16, 2019, or 2022. It's all the same process. So the first thing we want to do is export these printers. So we right click here and say migrate printers and say export. And basically we choose a file that we're going to name it on. So I have a previous one I already exported. So I'm going to call this one. And this is going to take a few minutes. I'm going to pause and come back when it's done. All right, as you can see, exporting completed with no errors. So I'm just going to say finish here. And I'm going to go to the new server. Open print management. Now, if you don't have print management installed and you want to install it, basically you go to manage, add roles and features, next, and here it is. You just simply install this print in document services. I already have it installed, so I'm just going to come in here and right click again and migrate printers. And this time I'm going to import. I'm going to choose the file, which is print one that we exported earlier. And this is going to take some time, probably 10 minutes or so. I'm going to pause and come back when it's done. Now, one thing I wanted to mention is listing in the directory. If you have a domain controller and you're joined to a domain, which I do, you do want to list all the printers. And I'm going to show you how to clean the clutter that appears from both servers. So if we come in here and we look, as you can see, we have Hyper 11 printers already listed, which is the old print server that I want to decommission. But I do want to list these printers. I'm going to show you how to clean up the Active Directory afterwards. So I'm going to say next and pause and come back when it's done. All right, so importing is completed. And as you can see, I do have the printers, but if I go now to my domain controller and look, as you can see, now I have the first server and the next server, and it's a clutter in Active Directory. So the way we fix this is we go to the print server that we're decommissioning, and we basically highlight all the printers and we say um, remove from directory. And this is going to take some time, but if we wait a little and just come back and look, as you can see, it's now only showing the new server, and the sharing also appears as it should. So if I open the local host, as you can see, they're shared now. And that's it. That's all you need to do to migrate print servers from one server to another. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe this video for more content like this, and have a good day.